seen a sloth. That's what I was looking for today. It was right in front of us as well. Look, I'm going to show you now. Look at this. I'm in Panama Rainforest Discovery Center in Gamboa. Yeah, I've been looking for one all day. Just as we're leaving, we found one. Let me show you. Let me show you this sloth. So let's have a look. Is it eating? The good thing about when you spot a sloth, you know it's going to be there for a while because they're so incredibly slow. They sleep for, I think, 16 hours a day. This is a three-toed sloth. So you get the two-toed and the three-toed in Panama. This is a three-toed, I've been told.